Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. And as I told you that there is going to be a part 2 to my favorites. So this is more of a personal favorites like food, skincare, app and all those things. So yeah, and the first one is more for books, web series, interviews. If you are interested in that, please do watch it. I'll link it in the description box. And now let's get started. So if you've seen my channel, I think you already know I'm obsessed with Ajio. Ajio has the best collection right now if you want to shop online for western wear. I've not tried the Indian wear yet, but I plan to. But for the western wear, please do check Ajio. You will go crazy and you will forget your street shopping also. Trust me. People who know me, I don't experiment a lot with my food. I am very basic and I am very I stick to what I eat. I do not experiment a lot. I think through these videos, through my monthly favorites, I'll push myself to try a bunch of new things. So this time I tried Monaco in the new flavor called pizza and I absolutely loved it. It is only for 10 rupees and it gives you a taste like of you've just had a mini pizza in your biscuit. So yeah, if you like the idea, do try it out and let me know how do you feel it. I have got like a mixed reaction to these biscuits. So yeah, I personally love it and I hope you try it too. Skincare, if you've seen my Nykaa haul, I told you that I have purchased this Himalaya neem pack and I had great expectations from it, and trust me, it's worth every money. The way it cleans your face and the way it softens your skin, you will feel so relaxed and so squeaky clean after you use that neem face pack. Trust me, it's out of this world and you have to try it. It is very affordable and it does its job very nicely, and I fallen in love. I'm going to buy one more tube of it. So yeah, if you're not following my Instagram, please do, because I'm doing a 30 days hook step challenge on my Instagram, so please do follow me there. Favorite app, my favorite app has to be Vita. I use it a lot to create a lot of content and trust me, it does not give you any problems, nothing. I especially go there for special effects. Like their special effects is out of this world. It is so nice, quirky, and every day you can have like a new filter which just refreshes your content so much. And yeah, do try it out if you want to jazz up your Instagram or your YouTube or anything. Like if you want to create some good content, please try out Vita. So this category is very unique and I thought of adding this because I thought, why not suggest some good influencers, celebrities who you really feel are genuine, and if you like their work, why not just give a shout out. I know they are way huge than me. They are already famous and you must know, and you may already know them, but I just thought, why not create this category so that you come to know about a lot of influencers whom you can look up to for good content. And my favorite for this month, or you can say specifically for this whole lockdown, has been Mostly Sane. I love her content. She's so fresh, so authentic, and she just posts so many Instagram stories about her being so real that you will feel अरे ये तो अपने जैसी है. And I love that vibe with dancing. She just is the coolest celebrity or influencer on Instagram, trust me, and you need to follow her. You will just be a fan of her. So this was the video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please hit that subscribe button and do come every month to see my favorites if you like this categories. And do also share what are your favorites, like influencers or food item which you've tried newly during this lockdown. Bye.